Hello students, you are most welcome in the virtual classroom of English. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the next topic in not only but also as well as both and. These three topics, examination point of view, very important. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss these three topics simultaneously with one example. So let's see the first example here. Students, there are two independent sentences. One, he is my friend, and another sentence is, he is my neighbor. These two sentences, we have to make it one by using not only but also. So first, we will use not only but also. Then the same sentence, we will use as well as. Then to the same sentence, we will use both and. So, in single sitting, with one example, we are going to discuss these three topics, and the first one is here. So, the first one is not only but also. So, how to use not only but also? This is general rule. He is my friend, he is my neighbor. The subject of the sentence is he, it is the same, and friend and neighbor, these two different objects are given. So, he is subject, you have to write as it is helping verb. So, there is a rule in English, while making not only but also, you can use not only after helping verb or main verb. So, in this sentence, helping verb is given, he is given. So, after is, not only, he is not only my friend. In place of full stop, you have to use here but also. Okay, then same words we have to omit. He is already taken, so don't take he. Is taken, my is taken in the sentence, remaining word neighbor. So this is the right structure of not only but also. He is not only my friend but also neighbor. This is the correct sentence. Now we will go to next one, as well as. In the same sentence we can use as well as. As well as, how we can use? He is my friend. In place of full stop, we are going to use here as well as. Same words we are going to omit because we can't repeat. Because same words we can't repeat. Remaining word is neighbor. So the sentence, he is my friend as well as neighbor. This sentence that we have made here. Now, to the same sentence, we can use both and. Same sentence. For example, see here. He is both my friend, in place of full stop, and same words omit, neighbor. He is both my friend and neighbor. So, these are the changes we have made in the particular sentence, and we have fused this sentence by using both and. So, this particular sentence is given in examination. He is my friend, he is my neighbor, and you are asked to rewrite the sentence by using not only but also. So, in not only, generally we have to remember, not only we have to use after verb and helping verb. So here helping verb is, that's why he is not only my friend in full stop place, but also use same words you omit, neighbor you have added here. The same example we can make as well as he is my friend. First sentence you write as it is. In place of full stop you have to write as well as. In second sentence same words you have to omit. Remaining part of the sentence is neighbor you have added here. So he is my friend as well as neighbor. Third sentence both and we are going to use. He is both. Both you have to use again helping verb. So he is both my friend and neighbor. So this is the correct structure of forming not only but also as well as both and. So this is the first example. Now we will move to the second example of another sentence, and we have to make it not only but also as well as and both and. Second example, I like tea, full stop. I like coffee. Again there are two examples given. I like tea, I like coffee. So first one, that is not only but also. So how do you use here? I like. After main verb, like is verb, main verb, after verb, as I told you earlier, after helping verb or main verb you can use not only. So after main verb you have to use here not only. I like not only tea but also coffee. See here, I like not only tea but also coffee. Same words, we can't take coffee, we have added. Now the second one is as well as. I like tea, in place of full stop, as well as, same words you have to omit, coffee. As well as, not only but also. So see, not only but also, as well as, these are correlative conjunctions. These are correlative conjunctions. These two conjunctions or this one conjunction is combining the sentence and relating the sentence. That's why these two conjunctions are known as correlative conjunction. Third one, to make both and. I like both. After helping, after main verb we have to take both. I like both tea and coffee. So this is the transformation of the sentences into one sentence. There were two sentences and we are making it one sentence by using the particular conjunctions. Understand? One more example we will see here. Example number 3. More and more example, so you will have a good practice also. He teaches English. He teaches geography. There are two sentences again now. Some changes you can notice. Now there is no helping verb. There is one verb. He teaches English. One sentence. Second number sentence is he teaches geography. Now we have to make it fast. Not only but also. See here. He teaches. After main verb you can use not only English in place of full stop, but also geography. So there were two sentences. He teaches English, he teaches geography. We make it one. He teaches not only English but also geography. Now the second one is as well as. He teaches English as well as geography. As well as we have used here. He teaches English as well as geography. Third sentence, both and how can do it? He teaches both. Again, both you have to use after main verb. He teaches both English and geography. So, this is the correct usage of not only but also as well as both and. This very simple grammar you have to do properly. You have to read it 2 times. You have to write it 2 times in your notebook. So examination point of view, it will be your good preparation. Now we will go to further example. Example number 4. We will go to another, because more and more example if we are having, so you will have more practice and you will remember it for longer time, because you are going to have more and more examples. Some changes are made here, just you have to observe. She is smart and hard working. One sentence is given now. Now, one sentence is given. She is smart and hardworking. There are 2 sentences, earlier examples we have seen. But in this example, there is one sentence. She is smart and hardworking. And we have to use not only but also. So, as I told you, after helping verb, you have to use not only. She is not only smart. We used it not only. She is not only smart. In place of and, you have to use here but also. But also, hard working is adjective. It is women. So, she is smart and hardworking. One single subject, and this is adjective. Smart is adjective, hardworking is adjective. So that's why we put like this. She is not only smart, adjective smart, and but also hardworking. So in this way we can make it not only but also. Understand? Now how to do this one as well as. She is smart, in place of and use as well as hardworking. This correlative conjunction we have to use here in place of and. She is smart as well as hardworking. Third example, both and. How can we do this? She is both. After helping verb, she is both smart and already is given, so that's why and hardworking. So this single sentence we have to use not only but also as well as both and. One more example of this type we can see here. So as I told you, this type of sentences, more you practice, you will have more knowledge regarding this topic, not only but also as well as both and. Rohan and Sohan are watching a movie. Now two subjects, one object. Rohan and Sohan are watching a movie. So not only but also we have to use for subject. Until these sentences we studied, we were using for object. Now not only but also we will use for subjects. For example, Rohan and Sohan. In this case, how we can use not only there is no helping verb before and. There is no helping verb before and, no main verb. So Rohan and Sohan. How we can use? Not only. You take the at the beginning of the sentence not only. Not only Rohan in place of and, but also Sohan are watching a movie. Not only Rohan but also Sohan are watching a movie. So this not only we have used for subjects because there were two subjects, different subjects, and that's why we have used not only Rohan but also Sohan are watching a TV. How to do as well as Rohan in place of and, as Rohan as well as Sohan are watching a movie. Rohan as well as Sohan are watching a movie. Third one, both and. In this case, we have to take both at the beginning. Both Rohan and Sohan. See, both Rohan and Sohan are watching a movie. This example, rare examples are also coming in examination. Two independent sentences are coming sometime one single sentence coming, sometime two different subjects in one single sentence, sometime two different objects in one single sentence. All the variety of sentences I am practicing, I am taking for your practice. Because this is very important to the point of examination, that how can example be set to your question paper. And we have to do this one because question paper is set wise. Set A, set B, set C, set D. In set A, different structure of example. Set B may be different structure. Set C may be different structure. So set wise you have to prepare for these examples. We will see one more example of the particular not only but also as well as and both and. These are the proper correlative conjunction and making two sentences into one, and this is very important. Panhala and Jyotiba can be visited from Kolhapur. Again, two different subjects. Panhala and Jyotiba can be visited from Kolhapur. Now, how to use here the particular thing not only but also? So, at the beginning, in this case, at the beginning, not only you have to use not only Panhala in place of and, use but also. Not only Panhala but also Jyotiba can be visited from Kolhapur. Not only Panhala but also Jyotiba can be visited from Kolhapur. Now we will go to the further one, as well as Panhala can be visited from Kolhapur. Panhala as well as Jyotiba, as well as we used in place of and. The third one is both and. Both Panhala and Jyotiba can be visited from Kolhapur. So this type of structure is the correct usage of not only but also as well as both and. To save your time and to understand it neatly, deliberately I frame the sentences so that in single learning session you can study these three different topics. These three different topics for 3 marks. Not only but also 1 mark as well as 1 mark, both and 1 mark. So the rules and application, rules and regulations are same, just you have to logically understand how you have to use here depending upon the sentence. So this one is the example. One more example we will see so that you will understand it very lucidly. For example, he is a cricketer and footballer. One more example. Now you have to identify how you are going to use not only but also. He is a cricketer and footballer. So how do you use here? Not only helping verb is there. So that's why after helping verb not only, he is not only a cricketer. He is not only a cricketer. In place of and use but also football. Not only but also, he is not only a cricketer but also a footballer. How do you use as well as? He is a cricketer, right? First part of the sentence. In place of and, as well as footballer. Third sentence, how we can use both and? He is both. After helping verb. After helping verb both. He is both a cricketer and footballer. So these are the examples we have seen. Not only but also how to transform we have seen, how to make as well as we have seen, how to make both and we have seen, and in examination point of view, as I told earlier, in your question paper it may come with different structure. Maybe one single sentence coming with same subject and different objects. In one single sentence, two different subjects, one single object. And it may be two different sentences. And all the variety of sentences I have taken on the board. So you have to read, you have to listen, you have to hear the particular video, listen it 2 times, and all the examples write in your English notebook. While you come back in the college, I will check these examples. So thank you and have a nice day.